Welcome to Experian Exchange, a new series featuring exclusive interviews with all the latest news and insights with Experian's business leaders. Experian Exchange will give you access to the latest thinking from inside the world of Experian, covering everything from finance to fraud and even technology to transformation. Welcome to the Experian Exchange interview series. I'm Irani. Healthcare is the second greatest expense in the US household after the cost of housing. Given the high cost, continually innovating and using technology to find solutions to modernise healthcare is more critical than ever. Joining me now to talk more about this is Jason Considine, Chief Commercial Officer at Experian Health. Jason, great to have you with us. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So when we think of healthcare, a data analytics and technology company like Experian doesn't exactly pop into our mind. Can you tell us how are the two connected?
Yeah, Experian helps businesses and consumers around the world make better decisions using data and analytics. And we do the exact same thing in the US healthcare market. We help hospitals and providers use data and technology to get paid most efficiently and effectively, both by patients and insurance companies. And as you mentioned at the beginning, patients are paying more and more of the cost of healthcare every year. And so leveraging data to make better decisions about how patients can get on the right financial pathway is very important to patients and providers.
So then what are some of the key trends that are shaping the future of healthcare in the United States?
This digital front door trend is one driving a lot of activity around how patients access care. And if over the last 5 or 10 years, we've seen significant changes in how we as consumers buy things online, schedule appointments. There's a lot more digital tools. Healthcare's lagged the rest of those different industries and sectors at offering those capabilities to patients. And Experian and other companies have the opportunity to help bridge that gap and offer more of that consumer experience to patients and how they do business with their providers.
What do you mean by digital front door?
Yeah, I would characterize it as more of an Amazon-like experience for a patient, right? So I want to be able to schedule an appointment without picking up the phone and calling a provider. I want to know what my cost is going to be for a service before I go see the provider, right? And then after I leave, we want to be connected with flexible options on how I can pay, right? That might look like a payment plan or maybe even financial assistance that some of these healthcare organizations provide to patients that may not be able to pay their bill.
So when you talk about these trends, Jason, what do you think of AI and machine learning? I mean, what role are these innovations going to play when it comes to helping people access healthcare?
There are some really exciting things and potential with machine learning and AI. A good example is on how these capabilities are being used is with claim denials. It creates a very negative patient experience when they think a claim's going to get billed to and paid by their insurance company. It gets denied for a number of different reasons, and they end up getting stuck with an unexpected bill from their doctor. We're using AI and machine learning to learn from the patterns in the data that we see from our customers across the country, and we're able to use those insights to predict a claim that's going to get denied before it's even billed to the insurance company.
Fantastic.
If we can predict that, the provider can address the issues. It means that the claim gets paid more efficiently, and we can avoid the patient having that negative experience in the surprise bill.
Right, so there's some really exciting trends along the way that could really revolutionize the healthcare industry.
Absolutely. Yeah. Technology, there's a lot of opportunity to leverage these modern technologies to transform the way that healthcare operates.
Jason, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
You've been watching the Experian Exchange interview series. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Experian Exchange. Please subscribe to get access to all the videos in this series. To learn more, go to experian.com/exchange.